Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel, and today's video is going to be on this no makeup look. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. Starting off with the face, I'm first going to moisturize. This will act as a base and will help the skin to stay hydrated throughout the day. Moving on, I'm using a brow pencil to fill in my brows. I'm making sure to brush on my brows to get that soft brow look. Using a brow gel, I'm going to set the brows in an upwards direction. This will help create an illusion of a fuller brows while fixing it in place all day. Next is I'm using a corrector to help even out some dark areas on my face. I'm then using a brush to spread the product out. And then a beauty sponge to blend everything. Next is I'm concealing the areas where we color correct. And then also using this to highlight the areas of my face that I want to be more prominent. I'm now gonna set the face with some translucent powder. For blush, I'm using this lip and cheek tint. And instead of putting it directly on my face, I'm going to use a sponge to evenly spread the product. Next, I'm going in with bronzer. This is going to help tie everything together and make it look like natural face shadows. Going back to the eyes, I'm gonna use a brown eyeliner to make it look less harsh while still helping on making my eyes look more elongated. Next, I'm curling my lashes and apply mascara on my top and bottom lashes. This is completely optional, but since I want to get more volume on my lashes, I prefer to apply falsies. And then to help blend my falsies to my natural lashes, I'm going to curl them together. For highlighter, I'm going to highlight the high points of my face, including my inner corner. Next, for lip liner, I'm using a very natural shade. And also using this to fill in the rest of my lips. Then to add a little bit more color to my lips, I'm going to apply a liquid lipstick onto the center of my lips, blending it out using my finger. Lastly, using a setting spray, I'm going to set everything in place. And this is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this no makeup look. And if you like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next one. Bye!